In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App on Amazon without the Cash App card. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Even if you don't have your physical Cash App card, you can still shop on Amazon by using the virtual Cash App card directly from the app. To get started, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. From the Cash App home screen, tap on the card icon in the bottom left corner. This section shows your Cash App card details. If you've already been approved for a Cash App card, you'll see a virtual version of the card here, even if you don't have the physical card. To reveal the full card information, tap the SAW II icon in the top right corner. You'll now be able to see the card number, expiration date, and CVV. These details work the same way as a regular debit card, so keep them available for the next step. Next, open the Amazon app or visit the Amazon website and sign in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, go to the Account section and navigate to Your Payments or Payment Options. From there, select the option to add a new payment method. Choose debit or credit card, since the Cash App card functions as a debit card. Carefully enter your Cash App virtual card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the CVV. If Amazon asks for a billing zip code, enter the zip code linked to your Cash App account. After entering all the information, save the payment method. Once your Cash App card is added to Amazon, you can start using it to make purchases. Browse Amazon like normal and add items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, select your Cash App card as the payment option. Amazon will process the payment just like it would with any other debit card, and the amount will be deducted directly from your Cash App balance. Before completing your purchase, make sure you have enough money available in your Cash App balance. If your balance is too low, the payment may be declined. You can add money to Cash App beforehand by opening the app, tapping on your balance, and choosing Add Cash. Once funds are available, return to Amazon and complete your order. Using this method allows you to shop on Amazon without needing the physical Cash App card, as long as you have access to your virtual card details inside the Cash App. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.